December 7th, 2020 review. Convert 200 centimeters, cm, that's our abbreviation, to meters, m. All right, so what we're going to start with, remember, we have 200 centimeters. So that's what we're starting with. So up here, I'm going to put 200 cm for centimeters. Remember, we can turn any of those into a fraction by putting it over 1. All right, now we're trying to get 2 meters. Trying to get 2 meters. So we're trying to put meters up here, and we're trying to get rid of that centimeters. So the centimeters is going to go at the bottom. All right, now we need to figure out centimeters and meters. Let's look at our conversions. Centimeters, oh, here we go. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So in 1 meter, we said there are 100 centimeters. Now let's multiply. So first off, we can cross off that centimeters because centimeters divided by centimeters equals 1. So we're left with 200 and then 100 down here. So 200 times 1 meter is going to be 200 meters. Keep that there. 1 times 100 is going to be 100. Now we have 200 divided by 100. Well, I know 200 divided by 100 is just 2. What am I also going to keep? The m for meters. So our answer is 2 meters. And that's it for the review.